Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going on a journey through time to explore one of the oldest and most impactful professions in human history, civil engineering. From the construction of ancient wonders to today's towering skyscrapers and smart cities, civil engineering has shaped our world in every era. So, grab your seatbelt. It's going to be a fascinating ride. Civil engineering began the moment humans started building shelters, but it truly took form in ancient civilizations. In Mesopotamia, around 3000 BC, the first large-scale irrigation systems were built to bring water to desert farmlands. This early engineering allowed agriculture to flourish and supported the growth of the first cities. In ancient Egypt, civil engineers built the Great Pyramids of Giza, some of the most iconic structures in human history. These massive stone structures were constructed over 4,500 years ago, using simple tools, human labor, and brilliant planning, long before cranes or concrete existed. Meanwhile, the Indus Valley Civilization, in what is now modern-day Pakistan and India, had cities like Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, with grid layouts, public drainage systems, and even public baths, all signs of advanced civil planning and engineering. These cities were thousands of years ahead of their time. In ancient China, great projects like the Great Wall and early bridges over rivers showed not just defensive strategy, but innovation in construction and material use. The Chinese also created complex canal systems to manage water and support agriculture. As time went on, the Greeks introduced geometry and science into construction. But it was the Romans who truly revolutionized civil engineering. The Romans built an extensive network of roads, over 400,000 kilometers, that connected the far reaches of their empire. They introduced the use of concrete, which allowed them to build large, durable structures like the Colosseum, the Pantheon, and their famous aqueducts, which brought clean water into cities from miles away. Many of these structures still stand today, over 2,000 years later. After the fall of the Roman Empire, civil engineering in Europe slowed during the Middle Ages. However, in the Islamic world, engineering flourished. Cities like Baghdad and Cordoba featured advanced water supply systems, paved roads, and beautiful architecture. Persian engineers built qanats, underground water tunnels, that supplied water to arid regions, and some of these systems are still in use today. In medieval Europe, engineering slowly picked up again with the construction of castles, cathedrals, and bridges. Gothic cathedrals, like Notre Dame in Paris, pushed the limits of stone construction, using arches and buttresses to reach incredible heights. The Renaissance marked a rebirth of science and engineering. Visionaries like Leonardo da Vinci sketched bridges, canals, and machines far ahead of their time. Civil engineering became more analytical and scientific, paving the way for the modern age. Then came the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries, which dramatically transformed civil engineering. Rapid urbanization and the need for transportation and factories led to the construction of massive bridges, railways, canals, and roads. This era saw the rise of legendary engineers like Isambard Kingdom Brunel in England, who built tunnels, docks, and steamships. During this period, civil engineering became a recognized profession. In 1818, the Institution of Civil Engineers was founded in London. One of its founding members, John Smeaton, is often called the father of civil engineering. He designed bridges, canals, and the famous Eddystone Lighthouse, using scientific principles and experiments. As the 20th century began, civil engineering expanded across the globe. New materials like steel and reinforced concrete allowed for taller and stronger buildings. Cities grew vertically with the rise of skyscrapers, and massive infrastructure projects connected nations. Dams, airports, highways, and subway systems became symbols of progress and modern life. Today, civil engineering is at the heart of modern society. Engineers now use powerful tools like computer-aided design, 3D modeling, drones, and satellite data to plan and execute complex projects. Skyscrapers like the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the world's tallest building, demonstrate how far engineering has come. We've built underwater tunnels, massive sea bridges, earthquake-resistant buildings, and even smart cities that use technology to improve daily life. But civil engineering is not just about building big. It's about building smart and sustainably. Modern engineers are focused on reducing environmental impact, using renewable materials, and designing structures that can withstand natural disasters. Projects now consider long-term climate resilience, energy efficiency, and the needs of future generations. From ancient mud huts to futuristic megacities, the journey of civil engineering is the story of human progress. It's about problem-solving, creativity, and improving the quality of life for millions of people around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing stories from the world of engineering. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building a better world.